everyone, welcome to my art room. Today's video I'm going to do a swipe and spin. So I'm going to spin a puddle and use my palette knife and swipe it at the same time. So with some turquoise, gold, silver. So on a tile, let's see how it turns out. Okay, I got a little interrupted there. All right, so what color is left? Silver. And I've got some Amsterdam silver. All right, let's see. These air bubbles out of here. Okay. I'm going to swipe with black cell activator. I'll center it a bit more. I hope I can do this good today. All right, I hope there's enough. Put a bit more. All right, I'm going to spin it. I'm going to put it on here and then I'm going to spin it. Whoa. That's so pretty. It didn't get much in the middle there, did it? Now, how am I going to do that? Maybe more will come out. Give it a minute. You run out of black after you spin around. I wonder if I blow it with my straw, if it will work. Let's spin this and see what happens. See if I get this evened out. I'll just do a couple more swirls. Needs to come this way a bit more. Something's stuck in there. Darn. My tweezers in here. What the heck was that? I like how the color, the gold and the turquoise mix together here. It's really pretty. Just take away some of these big cells and do some little swirls. I think I'm turning swirl crazy. No, I got it too much one way. One more this way. Oh, I got too much coming off over here now. Oh, well. I'm not centered anymore. I don't know if it's going to move anymore now because this paint's getting pretty thin. But you know what? It doesn't have to be centered, does it? It's kind of cool. I'm going to leave it the way it is. I kind of like it like that. I love the colors. All right, there you go. Have a good day, everyone, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I'm going to pop these white bubbles. See how they pop through? You just poke them. And they disappear. It's the white paint from underneath coming through. Yeah, I don't think I can make this one any... All right, I'm done. I better stop playing with it. Have a good day and come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll put the dry result at the end. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. Here's my dried tile that I did a spin this time. This one is a spin, so I spun my palette knife on top of the puddle. And then I wasn't fond of the middle. There was a lot of black in the middle, so I just did some swirls. I think it turned out pretty nice. I think it'll look nice varnished or resined. There you go. Dried really good. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.